Hello, guys, and welcome back again to another episode of EJ Show. It's about day 27 of EJ Show, English Show, and it's we are back again with the same location that we are all always trying to take the video. So it's back again with another episode, and we are back again. So we are just moving to the first segment, which is vocabulary bank, and we are just reviewing yesterday's three vocabulary and we have been taught and they are rejuvenated, live alive, alive again, and the next word is resilient and easily recover from difficult situation, and the next word is optimum, best. And we have another three vocabulary for today's episode, and which are ostracize, ostri ostracize, 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 push away, and then it means that the push away. So the next word is spur, spontaneous, which means that the spontaneous, spur, spur, spontaneous. The last but not the least, slouch, 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 not sitting straight. And that's all, and we are just winding up the first segment, which is the vocabulary bank, and we are just moving to the next segment, which is the open fire. And for today's episode we will take a subject which is relevant for today. For here it's been the date 20th of May, and today is something special for the Kerala Assembly, and which is the takeover of second 5 consecutive year to LDF, and they are taking charge today, and at the 3:30 p.m. they are taking the pledge to taking hand over the powers of each department. So, and something special is that I have lived in Cheganur, so you know that Cheganur MLA also been elected as a minister for a certain department, and minister, not the MLA named Sajichariam being elected for what Ministry of Fisheries, and that's all. And it's another double dhamaka effect, which our what next district, Aramula MLA also been elected as a minister, and she is Veena George, and she is elected for the category of health and Minister of Health, and she is a well-educated person, and also have taken degree master degree as well in journalism, and she has the skill sets to control the uh, Department of Healthcare, which is being handled by Shashikala teacher, who has been vacated his chair to Veena George, and she is something done for the last 5 years. She done a great job in the sector of health department, because you know that the COVID situation has been running towards this since the last 2 or 2.5 years, and that her what activities that made Kerala for some limit, or to restrict in a, in certain extent as well. So she is a good leader, and she can control the health department, and she get that much good name in the books of in the book of Keralites, and everyone has been loved that behavior of her, and she is completely blow it off, or completely taken the good name, and she has been written on the good books as well. So she made and she handed it over to Veena George, and hope we can all that she will do what precisely good for the Kerala, what currently we are Keralites facing, and she will take proper decision on the exact time, and that will lead us to what expel from current scenario. So we are just hoping for the best, and that's all. And we hoping this what the next 5 years will be a transition period, and we will expect that much development in every sector, and we will find that they will do their job very well, and we are hoping that without any allegation or any what corruptions or something like that, uh, complete their 5 years and hope for the best. And we are what we are wishing them all the very best for the next 5 years, and do their act, the rest will be happen automatically. And so we are just congratulating each and every department heads, which is the ministers and everyone, for their efforts that has been made for the party, as well as going to happen in our what nation as well, state as well. So we are just moving forward, and what every development has been taken on a single step, and we are considering this as a milestone, and we want to be what taken this as an opportunity to what make so much signatures in Kerala politics as well. So we are wishing them all the very best to the future endeavors as well. So but also we can say something like that, and what and the topic has been over, and what we will discuss now will be what something which related to what okay, the party members or the what, what the supporters of the party. I want to want to speak about them as well. So when they handed over the powers of the each department here in our my native place, also there has some crackers being cracked out, and it's their what happiness or enjoyment being presented over the entire society. So we can't what we can't what we can't what we can they are doing their what happiness or enjoyment through this kind of ways, and we can what we can't make them no told them that don't do the like this way, and it will harmful for the others who are also being here as well. So it's something they want to enjoy, and they are doing it. And I, for myself, in my opinion, what I want to in my opinion, I have to make an impression that everything is good, but after a certain limit it should be a barrier, or what it's a it will be a deficiency. So everything has its own line of border, and you don't want to overcome or don't cross over the line, and that's all. And everything is good, and the party politics everything, and so after that you only have that your family itself. So when you have missed or you have over enjoyed or or exploiting your political field or anything like that, or particularly on anything which is not benefited to us or our family. So just have that much limit in everything and be with your loved ones. That's only one backup or backed up you at any situation which you faced in your future as well. So be close to them and don't with their any party members or anything like that. Everything is good for some extent and not for everything, and be have your own line of boundary and enjoy within that, and that will make some what admire over these kinds of enjoyments as well. And be with your any political party, BLD for UDF, BJP, etc., etc., anything like that. After all, it's all for your what some moments of enjoyment, right? And you are just enjoying. And if your party or you voted on a party and which part that party has been elected for ruling for next year for 5 years, then it's something special for you as well, and it's all okay and it's fine and will happen. And it's nice that we have that kind of happiness as well. So don't want don't want what strictly stick on that, not only to stick on that, but there is a part of our life with these kinds of enjoyment as well. So it will what abandon some of our personal feelings or personal problems as well. We will what we will best out of our emotions or something like that, and we can enjoy certain moments as well. And that's all, and we are just winding up the episode. And I just like that I think that you all enjoyed today's episode and today's topics as well. And we are just winding up, and it's day 27 of EJ Show English Show. And here Jitin signing off. Bye bye, tata.